some shout out, guys. It's raining here in our place in the Philippines. Okay, let's do shout out. First shout out is goes to G-Pops Family Living. Yung channel nila, mostly foods, travel, yan, at daily vlogs. Wow. Shout out G-Pops Family. Winter Shine. Shout out from Winter Shine. Pinay sa Lebanon. Okay. Yung mga videos nila. Ulan. That's what living Winter Shine. Next is Pilger Vlogs, Mom Pilger. Filipina living in Germany. So, ulan, no? Malakas ang ulan. Okay. So let's do, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Let's continue our one shout out. Yung mga video ni Ma'am. More on travels. Atin yung piniplay ko ngayon si Papa Piggy TV. Shout out, sir. You know, still playing your video, sir. Shout out. Next, lakas ng it's raining here in Marigondon, Lapu-Lapu City, Philippines. It's raining in Maynila. Then our Korean friends, Korean friend singer, shout out, Ma'am. Okay. Shout out, Ma'am. Bronze, Korean songs. Her channel is more on Korean songs. She has a beautiful voice. Shout out, Ma'am. Then next is Pin and Danica Vlog, more on cooking channel and shopping channel. Cooking and shopping channel. Yan, masarap yung pagkain, no? Yan. Daming foods, oh. Next shout out to Boss Lando Explorer. Yung mga vlog niya ay mostly update sa kuan, mga presyo ng prices sa market sa Santo Malabon market, public market. Yan, shout out Boss Lando. Akin ang views of 2K for 7 views. Sana all may 4K na views. Almost 5K. Sana all maraming pera. Lakas ng ulan. Okay, we will play one video for Mr. Boss Lando Explorer. Then we will be back. We'll visit another one channel to play a video. To play their video pala. Okay, this one will play this. We'll be back. One playing each channel. I play one video pag Ma'am Pilder, isang video, isang channel. Okay, yan. Start lang. Okay, balik na sa una. Gusto ako ng putol, oh. Yan, start talaga. Dito tayo sa kanya party yata, New Year's Eve party. Let's start. Refresh. Then more on food sa pang J-Pops. Looks very yummy. Okay, wow. Refresh yan. Para mag-umpisa sa start. They keep on raining. Okay, this is from Mr. Boss Lando. Now, okay, there's an ads while playing the video. So, ads running tayo ngayon para makapera tayong lahat. Then next is Pin and Danica. Yan. Still loading, naglo-loading. Okay. Sunod lang yung iba, guys. Okay, next na lang ha. So thank you for watching. Umuulan, malakas.